The nourishments you burn through can have a significant outcome on your weight. We realize that for any fruitful weight reduction plan, having the correct eating routine set up can have a significant effect. What makes weight reduction nourishments so significant is that when you eat some unacceptable food sources, you will, in general, eat more and thusly put on weight. And now, some of the foods you should eat in order to lose weight. Number 1. Oats. Oats are one of the solid carbs that can really help you kill fat. Whole oats, for example, rolled oats or steel-cut oats, not processed quick oats, contain solid fiber and carbohydrates for long and supported energy for the duration of the day. An eating regimen wealthy in whole grains and dietary fiber lessens the danger of hypertension and coronary episode. They likewise help to bring down cholesterol. Eat oats with some whole fruit in the first part of the day, and you'll be full until lunch. Try not to add sugar to it, yet add chia seeds, nuts, cinnamon, and additionally protein powder. Number 2. Cayenne peppers. Cayenne peppers explicitly contain a substance considered capsaicin that makes them taste extremely hot. This causes thermogenesis to happen, which is a cycle that happens when the body is cold and consumes fat to take itself back to a hotter temperature. It happens when the capsaicin ties to the warmth receptors when these peppers are eaten. That is the reason you generally know about cayenne as a fat eliminator. Eating peppers and hot nourishments have additionally been appeared to expand digestion and help control hunger. So, it's actually a mutual benefit here. Number 3. Avocados. Confused exhortations have persuaded that people ought to stay away from avocados when attempting to lose fat since they are so high in fat. This is just false. While it is anything but a smart thought to eat in excess consistently, sound fats are as yet essential to a solid, adjusted eating routine and can totally help you lose fat. Avocados give solid fiber, fats, and folic acid which, in blend, have been appeared to keep you filled for longer periods. This additionally assists by preventing people from gorging. Number 4. Almonds. Another wellspring of healthy fats on the rundown is almonds. Going after almonds over wafers, crackers, and other refined carbs when nibbling can help decrease gut fat and lower your danger of cardiovascular sickness. They have been appeared to lessen awful cholesterol, help the mind work, forestall coronary episodes, and fortify bones and teeth. Settle in general for unsalted almonds whenever the situation allows. 5. Lean meats. Lean meats, for example, chicken, beef, and salmon give sound wellsprings of protein and an assortment of different supplements. Salmon is an extraordinary decision since it likewise has the additional solid fats omega-3s that we could all utilize in our eating regimens. Add some lean meat to your plate of mixed greens or cook it with certain veggies and whole grains for a decent supper. Number 6. Dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens are excellent for your well-being. They contain cell reinforcement supplements, anti-cancer nutrients, and mitigating supplements. They're low in calories and high in fiber. Take a stab at squeezing them, blending them, eating them crude, and cooking them. Simply figure out how to get however much of them as could reasonably be expected in your eating regimen. Number 7. Lemons. All the more explicitly, lemon juice to detoxify the body. At the point when you get rid of toxins in the body, you're making ready for simpler weight reduction and diminished stomach fat. Having a spotless and sound digestive system will guarantee that your body gets the entirety of the vital supplements from the nourishments that you devour. Attempt a warm glass of water with juice from 1/2 lemon when you get up in the first part of the day and before you head to sleep around evening time. Number 8. Cottage cheese. Another healthy snack you can eat to get more fit is cottage cheese. This high-protein snack is among the best solid tidbits because of its protein content. In contrast to different types of cheese, cottage cheese is frequently suggested as a feature of a sound eating routine. Its high protein content makes it an extraordinary method to support digestion and keeps you full. It is likewise frequently prescribed to athletes and recreational center darlings as it can help you construct muscles. Number 9. Apples. Apples are one of the best natural products on earth, containing antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, and even pectin, which has been appeared to diminish hunger. Apples make incredible snacks since they are very satisfying and will help keep you full while giving a little jolt of energy. Attempt them for breakfast, or on plates of mixed greens, or even cooked with onions as a side dish. Number 10. Whole eggs. In spite of the terrible standing eggs endured a couple of years back, whole eggs are one of the best nourishments for weight reduction you can have in your eating routine. They are brimming with healthy fats and significant supplements for your body. They make for the ideal breakfast food as they're amazingly filling because of their protein content. You could likewise use boiled eggs as an optional snack. In the event that you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.